In this video, I'll show you how to create a flicker text effect in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new video project. Go to the Uploads tab and upload your video. Drag it into the Canva page. Click the Text tab and type your desired text. Change the font style and increase the text size. Position the text in the center of the screen. Open Show Element Timing and adjust the text duration. Go to the Effects tab, select the Hello effect and decrease the thickness to 10. Duplicate the text layer. Return to Effects and choose the neon style, keeping the intensity at 50. Navigate to the Animate tab, scroll down, select Neon. Click Character Style and increase the intensity slider. Enable the Both option for a balanced flicker. And there you go, your flicker text effect is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more creative design tips. Thanks for watching.